Hey guys, so today's video is Nadula Hair. Nadula Hair sent me over this 24-inch curly wig. It is 180% density and it costs $361. It's currently on sale, but I am gonna have a coupon code in my description box. If I do have one, it's gonna be in my description box at the top, so make sure you guys take advantage of that. This is their skin-like real HD lace. As you can see, I use absolutely no glue on this wig and it is absolutely beautiful. And we love protecting our hair, so if you don't have to use glue or spray, this is definitely the way to go. So I'm gonna have this wig linked down below so you guys can check them out. And today I'm gonna show you guys me installing it. I literally had this wig on for almost, tomorrow is gonna be a week. So today is actually a week. So I took it off 2 times already and washed the lace. Well, not really washed the lace, but like I wiped the lace because I use hairspray. But today I did not use any spray at all. I just had it on like this. So it's like glueless, and I absolutely love glueless wigs because I could just take it off and throw it on and it's amazing. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look and how to protect your edges, stay tuned to this video. You guys, so I already did a video putting on this wig and everything like that, but I did use like spray, and today I just want to put it on glueless so I can finish this video because I've really been procrastinating and it's not okay. So this is Nadula Hair. This is her curly wig, and this is how big the closure is. The lace is super seamless, so I'm just gonna put it on so you guys can see how it blends. I'm gonna apply some of my foundation to the bottom, and I'm not gonna be using glue or anything like that to put this on today. This is how the inside look. It does not come with an adjustable band up here, but it do have one in the back. So I'm gonna put that as tight as possible so I can get the best melt, especially if you're not using any adhesive. You want to make sure that you have it as tight as possible. So this is gonna be really quick. And I washed this wig yesterday. I feel like this wig, when it's freshly washed, that's like the best. That's the best the curls look. Okay, so this is it. No glue, no nothing. And I just like flipping it side to side, but you can do a part. This looks so pretty already. All I'm gonna do is the edges, and I'm gonna use some gel for that. I'm gonna just put a little bit of my foundation right on the sides because that's where it's not really melted like that. I'm gonna be using my Ruby Kisses. I always use that. Like, we know this is the staple product. I'm gonna just put it like right here at the edge. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the gel. Okay guys, so this is the end result. This is how the hair turned out. This is how seamless the lace looks, and this is glueless. Literally, I did not apply no glue. This does not even come with an elastic band, but it's very secured. And if you want to add in, if you want to push the combs into your braids, it will let it stick even better. Guys, before I end the video, I just want to let you know that this hair has absolutely no product in it. I just washed it with shampoo and conditioner from Aussie Moist, and that was it. I left it to air dry. It's really good. I feel like this hair does really good with no product because when it has product, it kind of is hard to run your fingers through, and I like to fluff out the hair and have it feel soft. I don't like it to feel weighed down, and when it has no product, it's perfect. So I did not put any product in this hair. This is just the natural way that it dries. But yeah, this is the final results from this wig. Don't forget to check out Nadula Hair. I will have all the links down below, including this wig and the specs. and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.